Facilitators of communication. Okay, facilitators of communication is the next part of the review of communication process. First, definition, and next elements and process and channels. After that, the facilitator. Okay, facilitators of communication. I think the facilitator is the new word for you. The facilitator means facilitate. Okay, facilitate or free up space. Okay, giving more clear and clarity about the communication and giving the free way. Okay, build up of clear cut and telling clear cut communication, clear cut way. That is the meaning of the facilitators. Now we enter into the meaning and introduction and meaning. Okay, see, first one, meaning. The facilitate means creative, positive for action, not negative, not neutral. Okay, facilitate, first of all, the facilitate meaning creating the positive. Okay, creative the positive. Okay, creating positive for action. Action means communication. Okay, this facilitate is common meaning, that is general meaning for all types of workers. It is a communication, it's a nursing process, like that. There's different types of facilitators in the our textbook or in our world. Now I am discussing about the communication facilitators. What are all the facilitators that leads to the good communication? Okay, so first of all, that facilitate meaning to creating a positive for action. Okay, positive way of communication, positive way of communication. See, the facilitator, who call it as facilitator? For that one, answer that facilitator is a person who helps a group of people to work together. Okay, to work together to make a unity. Okay, to work together for the better and understanding purpose, to get to achieve their common objectives. Okay, to achieve their common objectives and to plan how to achieve these objectives during any meetings or during any discussions. Okay, these are all the this is the meaning of facilitator. Facilitator, who are the person who helps a group of people. Okay, who helps the group of people, he is called it as facilitator. Okay, who helps the group of a people to work together for better and for achieve, or how to achieve the goal or how to achieve the objectives during the meeting and during the discussion. For example, taking any nursing process. Okay, for taking nursing process, the nurse are the facilitators, or the doctors are the facilitator. Doctors are if the patient is complaining of pain in abdomen. Okay, pain in abdomen, patient complains of pain abdomen. Okay, the nurse is the facilitate, that's positive for action, for positive action against the painkiller. They choose the medication. How? The doctor will the facilitator. Doctor help the nurses or help the students, help the nurses and help the patient to control the pain, to reduce the pain or to decreases the pain abdomen in the patient. He is the facilitator who helps in a group of people to work together better understanding to achieve the common objectives or common goal. Here the pain abdomen are related to some surgery and as evidenced by some of the patient complaint of pain. This is some of the nursing diagnosis. In that, the nurse is asked to put some common goal. At the end of the all intervention, the patient, okay, patient will be able to report on pain will be reduced, and that is the some goal. Okay, that is the some goal, and that is the main objectives of the nurse in our nursing process. After the intervention, doctor will help the nurse. Okay, doctor will help and doctor will tell this is the antibiotics or this is the painkiller, analgesics, diclofenac sodium. This analgesic give IM that will reduce the pain of the patient. So this is the common objectives or common goal all together. they work to success in the good. That is the meaning of facilitator. And coming to the communication, okay, coming to the communication has a lot of the facilitation. Okay, facilitators or facilitation. Let us discuss what are all the facilitators of communication. See, there are 7C. Okay, 7C. 7C, that facilitating the effective, not only common communication, not only the ineffective communication. This effective communication without any disturbance, okay, without any confusion, without any clarity, okay, without any complete the communication message. Okay, the 7C. The 7Cs, what are all you are seeing on the slide? There are 7C. 7C that helps to facilitating the effective communication. Okay, see, these are the 7C. First one, correctness. Okay, correctness and concreteness, consideration, clarity, courtesy, consciousness, and completeness. Okay, concise and complete. Okay, first one, correct. Let us discuss one by one what is correctness and what is concreteness and consideration, clarity, courtesy, okay, concise and completeness. Okay, see, first one, correctness. First, C. In the final exam, in the secondary people, they may ask the question like write the facilitators of communication or facilitators of communication. They may ask in only short answer, 2 marks question. Okay, 2 marks question, you make that this, right, this one completely 7C. Okay, if they has 5 marks, they has 5 marks question. That's rare asking 5 marks question. Maybe they may ask 5 marks question. You can write, first you write meaning of facilitators and meaning of communication. You already know meaning of facilitators also. You have to write meaning of communication also, and then make a list of the facilitators, correctness, like this, like using some of the your wish flowchart or any cycles, interesting manner. You have to write in exam interested manner, express it. Okay, express you the evaluator is expecting the more answer or more stylish answers. Okay, so this is like you write this one, and then the 5 marks question andre explain one by one correctness. What is correctness? See, correctness is the quality or state of being free from communication errors or communication barriers. It's the freedom from mistakes. It is the full correct sentence. Okay, full correct sentence. I am the boy, for example, I am the boy, or I am the lecturer. Okay, I am the lecturer. I am working in the some of the institution. I am working in the organization as a lecturer. See, this is the clarity, or this is the correctness. It's freedom from mistakes, no any confusion. Okay, no any confusion or no any error. I am the boy, clear, not any next moment. Okay, I am working in as a lecturer, clear, not any tailor, not any painter, like that. It's clear. It is freedom from mistakes and it's free from errors, no any confusion or no any errors in that communication. That is the first one, correctness. This is the one of the facilitator. Next, concreteness. It's an aspect of communication. It's mean specific, very clear and very particular. Okay, when you start using the communication process, you keep in the mind that is using the facilitators, correctness. When you starting when you start the communication between the two person or with the person. Okay, first you have to know the what are the facilitators, correctness. Oh, my sentence is correct, or my sentence is concreteness, concrete. Okay, specific, not any doubtful or not any confusion. It is clear and particular. Tomorrow I will be at 9 a.m. In the college. This is clear and particular sentence. Use particular sentence and use clear sentence. Okay, instead of using generally telling. Okay, tomorrow I will come to the college. Not that is general. Tomorrow you are going to the college at what time? Okay, at what time? It's morning or evening or afternoon, like that. Okay, that is specific. You have to tell the specific and clear and general. Okay, not general, it's clear and particular and specific sentence. Okay, that is concreteness. Next, consideration. Okay, consideration, careful thought or typically over period of time. Consideration at this time. Okay, at this time I am taking the class of taking the class on facilitators of communication clear, and this period of time, this 1 hour or next hour I am engaging next batch student or next year BSc nursing students, like that. That is consideration. Okay, consider. Next, first 9 to 10 first year, 10 to 11 second year, 11 to 12 third year, like that. Okay, and after on 3 to 4 fourth year, like that. They have to consideration, you have to carefully thought. Okay, carefully have to think and tell the answer, or carefully have to think or carefully have to thought and make the decision over a period of or given time. Okay, that is consideration. Next, clarity. This what you know, people you already know about the clarity. Okay, nowadays all are using some, before talking that, give the clarity. They may ask like that, give a clarity and talk like that. Okay, see, clarity, that is quality or state of being clear and easy to understand. Easy to understand. In the clarity, they may use their own language, no any problem. Okay, they want full clarity or easy to understand. Okay, A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, like that. Yeah, too easy to understand. Okay, A for America, like that. There's difficulty. Okay, in the beginning, in the from the from the LKG itself, you already practice that A for apple, B for ball only. If any uh, confusion or any difficult to understand in between that, A for another term or B for another term, it's very difficult to understand that one. Okay, easy to understand, easy to giving the clarity. Communication, for example, communication is the interpersonal relationship for sharing ideas, feelings, thoughts between the two person. Clear, that is clear statement of about the communication. Okay, no any confusion. Okay, that is also easy to understand. Okay, easy to understand. Next, you want to talk, you have to start communication with your neighbors or with your relatives or with the teacher or principal, and you have to use some easy words, easy words or easy technique, easy words to understand the opposite side. Okay, yeah, okay, opposite side easy to understand. Okay, that is clarity. You have to give the full clarity. Madam, tomorrow I want, okay, tomorrow I need leave. Okay, tomorrow I want 1 day leave. Why? You have to give the clear, and you have to easy to understand by the teacher, like that. Okay, you have to give some clarity. This is one of the facilitator. Next, courtesy. Okay, courtesy. Okay, not showing up politeness in one's attitude and behavior towards others. Okay, courtesy. Courtesy is the showing up politeness. Politeness means silent, and also some of the humors. Okay, humor, playing humor. Okay, playing humor. Not okay. In the I am continuously taking 1 hour on. I'm give the 40 minutes. I have 40 minutes. Then continuously 40 minutes. I'm taking the class means that is start boring, Allah. That start boring. In between, I put some jokes or put some of the humors or creating a interesting, creating interest among the subject or among the all the students. That is creating interest on that will use that is, and the topic will you never forget. That is the courtesy. Okay, that's showing the politeness of one's attitude and behavior towards others. See some example. He treated the players with courtesy and good humor, politeness. Courtesy means you have to maintain some silent, or you have to maintain some polite, not continuous polite, not continuous silent. You have to start some of the between some of the humor. See the time, see the clarity, see the uh, correctness of consideration the time, and start good humor. Okay, next, last to one, last second, okay, concise. Okay, conciseness. I am so and so, I am studying so and so, I am from so and so, I am, my father name is, my mother name is, and I am coming from my goal and my ambition. I am presently and I'm studying. See, this is the long letters. Okay, this is the long, this one, Bashla. Okay, this is the long sentence. Long sentence. Conciseness is one of the quality of being short and clear, expressing what needs to be said without unnecessary words. Okay, without unnecessary words. Before you telling that, you edited yourself in your mind. Edited what should I have to tell to the madam? You edited the sentence in your mind and tell and give the clarity and conciseness. Okay, ma'am, I am from this side, I am from Kerala. In Kerala, telling Kerala district, village name and street name, flat number, house number, and house owner name, like that. Instead of telling all those things, ma'am, my name is this, I am coming from Kerala. Finish. Conciseness. Okay, this is the conciseness. And completeness. Okay, completeness and straight or condition of having all the necessary of appropriate parts. Okay, state or completeness of messages. The teacher is asking question, where are you from? Ma'am, I am from this area, I am from this one. Okay, my ambition is this. There's a completeness of records. Before admission record, patient not admitted to the ward. At that time, the nurses or the admission section people, they will start recording everything, giving the IV injection. Okay, noted. Recording and starting IV infusion or putting IV cannula, IV cannulation, done like that. They strictly they maintain everything, everything they maintain in the hospital. For example, taking a hospital, they say everything they maintain. This is completeness, completeness of the message or completeness of the work or completeness of the communication. Okay, it's a state or condition having the all the necessary and appropriate parts. See, these are the 7 C's. These are the 7 C's that use for facilitating the communication. This is for facilitating communication, and these are all the facilitators of communication. Facilitators of communication. Okay. If you have any doubt in this facilitators of communication, there is 7 C's. Okay, about the 7 C's. If you have any doubt, please share your doubts or please put your questions in the comment or chat box. Okay.